Create a bookings calendar. Welcome to M365 Professional. Create a bookings calendar in Microsoft Teams to schedule and manage appointments for your staff and attendees. In Teams, select Bookings. Get started. Choose New Booking Calendar or Existing Booking Calendar. To add one, we'll choose New Booking Calendar. Type in a business or department name. This name will be displayed in emails and used for the email address to send booking invites. Add more details, and then select Save. And your bookings calendar is created. If you want to switch to another bookings calendar, or if you want to set up a new one, select the drop-down arrow next to your business name and choose the one you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.